Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from Binance in INR for 2025. If you're holding USDT on Binance and want to convert it to Indian rupees, this step-by-step guide will get you there smoothly. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is straightforward, but always remember to stay secure in the ever-evolving world of crypto. First things first, make sure you have a verified Binance account. In 2025, Binance has streamlined its interface, so let's jump right in. Start by logging into your Binance app or website using two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet, or Fiat and Spot, to locate your USDT balance. Next, click on Withdraw next to your USDT holdings. You'll see options for withdrawal methods. For INR, choose the P2P trading section or a fiat gateway partner like those integrated with Indian banks. Select Withdraw to Fiat, and then pick INR as your currency. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be conversion rates and fees, so check the estimated INR amount first. Now, if you're using P2P, search for INR sellers, review their offers, and initiate the trade. Follow the prompts to send your USDT and receive INR via bank transfer. For direct fiat withdrawal, link your Indian bank account if it's set up. Double-check all details, confirm the transaction, and wait for processing, which could take a few minutes to hours depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always verify the recipient details to avoid errors, and keep an eye on any minimum withdrawal limits or taxes in 2025. Binance might have updated policies, so glance at their help center if needed. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn your USDT to INR. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.